To build business logic that spans across multiple distributed microservices, in this video course I'm going to use Axon framework. And in this video lesson I want to give you a brief introduction to Axon framework. Here's a typical architecture of Axon-based application, and I have copied this image from Axon framework website, and most likely when you visit it, you will see this diagram there as well. So Axon framework is based on architectural principles such as domain-driven design, CQRS, and event-driven architecture. And you can see all of these principles applied right here in this diagram. Our application is divided into two main parts, which are command and query. It uses event sourcing and it will persist domain events in the event store. The command API will also publish an event that was persisted in the event store so that other components that are interested in this event can consume it and act on it. One of such components will be an event handler, which is in the query side. It will consume an event and it will update the query database with new information. Now, when it comes to storage, then Axon gives us an option to configure where to store our events and data. For example, as an event store storage, we can use either event store that is provided to us by Axon framework, or we can choose to store our events in the traditional relational database management system, like for example PostgreSQL or MySQL, or we can choose NoSQL databases like for example MongoDB. In this video course, as an event store, I will use an event store solution provided by Axon, and when it comes to read database, then here we can also choose which database to use. In this video course, I will use the H2 database, but you can easily use any other database server that you prefer. But Axon is not just a framework, it is an infrastructure that also involves Axon Server. Axon Server manages all the message routers and the event store, and it even comes in two editions, Standard Edition and an Enterprise Edition that can run in clusters and it can be scaled across multiple geographical regions. Axon Server has a secure dashboard where you can log in with your username and password, and you can see an overview of all of your running applications and check the status and other different details of each running application. Axon Server also allows you to search an event store and even see live updates as events get persisted there. You can also search event store using specialized query language, and you can preview the details of any event that took place and got persisted in the event store. Alright, so this was just a brief overview of Axon Server, but as you build and run microservices in this video course, you will visit Axon Server once again and you will get a chance to use it.